Hey guys, let's see if the fish want to eat this morning. Looks like they do. Oh yeah. All are growing, all come through the winter really good. Got a lot of work to do cleaning that koi pond up. But everybody's good and healthy. Looks like they've grown a little bit. See some babies down in there that I didn't know I had. The koi fish in the koi pond eating. I mulched around it. Starting to look pretty good. Like I said, I got a lot of cleaning to do. There's a little Huck coming up. He sees me. Hey buddy. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Thought you might like a little glimpse of the fish. What I like to do every morning is come out here every morning and feed them. See y'all later.